as Eid celebrations are currently underway across the country, devotees can be seen offering prayers at the mosques. Police officials are also holding a flag march in cities and monitoring the security situation as well. So security has been heightened. We're also seeing scenes of brotherhood and celebrations as the Eid celebrations continue. Let me go across to my colleagues Sabir Sachi as well as Adib joining us on the broadcast. Sabir Sachi, today's Eid celebrations going on after the prayers were offered at the mosque. In many of these locations, very clear instructions had also been given not to offer namaz on the roads. What are you seeing around you? Because the citizens seem to be going through what the order actually says, but there are only some political parties as well as some particular clerics who seem to be inciting them.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, we are just outside the Shahi Jama Masjid here in Sambal. Meanwhile, let me show you the security arrangements. Massive deployment of police personnel could be seen right outside the mosque, whether it is RAF, RRF or Uttar Pradesh police personnel. Thousands of them have been deployed on ground. Meanwhile, continuously the DM, the SDM are on ground monitoring the situation. Now, prohibitory orders had been in place that no namaz should be offered on roads. Now, this has been a clear instruction which has been given by the district magistrate to the Muslim community. In fact, the peace committee meeting which had taken place, in that meeting it was conveyed. And the Imam as well had decided that no namaz would be allowed on the road. So clear instruction from the administration and the police side. Meanwhile, there had been confusion to which the Samajwadi Party MP from Sambal Ziaur Rahman had raised that if the people of the Muslim community are not allowed to offer namaz from their homes, from the rooftops, where they will go. Now the district administration as well as the police administration had clarified that they have not stopped the people from Sambal to offer namaz from their rooftop, but in this particular area where the masjid is and in surrounding areas there are certain buildings which are in not proper condition. So around if 100 or 200 people go on the rooftop, then there is a threat. And looking at that particular situation, this particular prohibitory order had been announced by the district administration. Meanwhile, the SDM says that as of now the law and order situation is under control and 9:30 is the time when the namaz will be offered at Sambal.
Okay, all right. Sabir Sachi is joining us from Sambal, and it's important to mention that Sambal was one location that saw a lot of violence over the last few weeks. There have been sporadic incidents of violence, and that's the reason why restrictions have been put in place. And it's also important to mention, while some clerics, some political leaders may be claiming persecution and whatnot, this is a decision that has been taken with discussions with the community there. In fact, the Muslims have also extended their complete support to ensure security is in place for Eid as well. Let's also show you some of the visuals of the prayers. Today is, of course, Eid, so celebrations going on, namaz being offered, feasting also will be taking place shortly. So these are visuals from different locations where brotherhood is on display as people offer namaz and greet each other. These are visuals from Jama Masjid, from Mumbai, Bhopal as well, where devotees can be seen going to the mosque to offer their prayers. Visuals from Patna as well. Similar visuals. These are the scenes that we witness every single year during Eid as people, the devotees, come out in huge numbers to the mosque to offer their prayers. Let me go across to Adib as well. Adib, you know, this is a norm that we've seen. Of course, the celebrations are going on. In just a little while from now, feasting will also begin. But it was before this a lot of politics that was played out around the restrictions that had been put in place. In fact, in some of the locations, it had also been very clear that since Navratri is going on, meat shops are going to be shut. There was a lot of politics around it. Again, important to mention that many from the community have also come out in support and have said that there's nothing wrong with it. What is it that you're seeing around you?
Well, definitely, Pratibha. See, in fact, the senior Muslim clerics, they have also urged the people that if there's any meat shop around the religious places, those meat shops should be closed as per the government's order. And as far as the namaz is concerned, the senior clerics in Lucknow, they have also urged that people should not offer namaz on roads. In fact, we are in the Eidgah of Lucknow, and as you can see in the visuals, a large number of devotees, they are coming towards Eidgah. They are walking to Eidgah, and a large number of police force has also been deployed at this particular point of time. Along with the police force, paramilitary forces have also been deployed in Eidgah, Lucknow, to maintain security, law and order. And as you can see, people are marching towards Eidgah. The police is ensuring that no one stops in the middle of the road. They are also traffic movement continues on the road. So you can see on one side of the road, people are moving towards Eidgah, and on the other side of the road, traffic is also moving freely on this particular part of road. As far as namaz is concerned, Eidgah's namaz in Lucknow will commence at around 10 a.m. But before that, the clerics here, they are continuously making announcements that people will not offer namaz on roads, and in fact they will have to come inside the Eidgah premises. And once this premises gets full, they will lock the door and they will not allow anyone to offer namaz on roads. And as you can see in the visual on my left hand side is the large ground of Eidgah campus, and people are lining up in this large campus so that they can accommodate all the people, those who are coming in Eidgah, to offer their namaz. So the politics is playing around, but the clerics in Lucknow, they all are appealing continuously to the people that they should offer namaz inside the Eidgah premises only, Pratibha.
Okay, all right. In fact, this is a big message that members of the community have also given out to the hate mongers, that they are willing to go by law. These are some restrictions that have been put in certain locations, but look at the celebrations that are taking place across the country. We're getting in visuals from different places. In fact, in more breaking updates coming in as well, the Prime Minister in the latest has also extended the Eid al-Fitr greetings, saying we hope the harmony and kindness for all continue. So the Prime Minister has taken to social media to extend the Eid al-Fitr greetings, and he has wished all celebrating today. Here are his wishes. He says, greetings on Eid al-Fitr. May this festival enhance the spirit of hope, harmony and kindness in our society. So the Prime Minister's message being, may there be joy and success in all your endeavors. Eid Mubarak. So this is the message from the Prime Minister on Eid. Meanwhile, we have more breaking updates coming in. In fact, the UP police are on high alert during Eid, with senior officials monitoring the security on the ground. Authorities have instructed that namaz should not be offered on the roads, with clerics urging people to pray only in Eidgahs and mosques. In Lucknow as well, namaz is being offered at the Eidgah. It is scheduled for around 10 a.m. So, Adib, in the location that you're at in the Eidgah, the namaz will take place at 10 a.m. and the rules are very clear that namaz should not be offered on the roads, but only within the Eidgah, within the mosque as well. So, what is the security deployment there at the spot?
Well, definitely, Pratibha, see the clerics, they have been continuously saying and urging people from the Muslim community that they should not offer namaz on roads. And in fact, continuously from 7 a.m. this morning, you can see on the loudspeaker, they are making announcements that all those people, those who are coming, they should directly come inside the Eidgah premises and they should not offer namaz on roads. And as far as the security is concerned, you can see a large number of police force, they have been deployed. They have also formed a human chain sort of, so that people, they are not stopping at any point of time on road, and traffic is not disrupted. Traffic is also moving freely on this particular point of time. And you can also see the jawans of paramilitary forces, they have also been deployed outside the Eidgah in Lucknow. And not just Lucknow, but the entire Uttar Pradesh has been placed on high alert. There are some sensitive districts also which have been put on alert, and clear instructions have been given by the senior officials that all the senior officials, the SP, DIG rank officers, they will have to be on field while the namaz is being offered, and to ensure that namaz is being offered peacefully throughout the state in Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, all right. Here's wishing all the devout, those who are celebrating, happy Eid. Sabyasachi and Adib, thank you for the moment for joining us with those details. We come back to you for those updates. But for now, we're shifting